stop playing with them.
DEVINCI in this bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI. I'm actually a little sick right now, but I decided to put on some makeup because makeup always puts me in a great mood. So I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. I kept it super easy. I don't even have on any lashes. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and let's start. But I'm using my Jaclyn. I'm gonna be using, the Jaclyn Hill palette today. Putting on makeup always makes me feel better. Then I'm gonna blend this color all the way, almost up to my brow bone, but not quite, but almost. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with that brown shade in her palette. You know, this little nudie shade. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown shade right here. So to cut our crease, we're gonna use our NARS in the color Custard. We're gonna set our lid, because this one is looking a little funkier. So we're gonna set our lid with this copper color right here. So I don't have on any primer or like nothing like that because I'm going in with my Rihanna. And this Rihanna Fenty Beauty is like super, what do you call it? Like full coverage. I mean, it's not like super full coverage, but it dries down fast. So it's not like you really, you know, need a primer. So I'm not going on with one. Okay, so my camera just overheated. So let's speed this process on up.
Worst. Motherfucker never loved us. Fucker never loved us. You ain't know now, you know now. Still at the scrub J's with a toothbrush. Shit. Niggas still playing my old shit. But your shit is like the police asking us questions. Nigga, we don't know shit.
That's the money tongue. I need face, I need brain, concentrate. I go phone, product case, killer weed, rock a lace. Fuck the mode, buy the ace, fuck the goals, drive a rave. Get some money, fuck the rollie, patty.
All right, so now that we're here, we're going to finish our eyes. So we're gonna use these Paris Hilton brushes. I've actually like really been liking these brushes. For my powder brush, contour. I've been using this powder brush. This brush is so soft, guys. Not only are they pretty, but it wipes it off like a dream. All right, I'm gonna go in with this like orangey shade. So I hope you guys like this makeup look. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because my goal is to hit 1 million subscribers because everybody else seems to be able to do it. So I know that my channel can do it too. So yeah, subscribe.
In this bitch, got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit.